All right. Great to have you checking in today. You're going to like the video. We're talking about the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news. And I pulled what I feel are some of the most valuable articles to us as cryptocurrency investors. And like always, with all of our daily videos here on the channel, my goal for you is to give you the power, give you the knowledge so that you're able to make the wisest decisions of investing in crypto on your own. So let's get to it. Let's talk about the latest news. The number of Bitcoin short positions has just hit a 3-month low. I wanted to start with this one because this is obviously bullish news, right? And I'm sure you do, but if you don't know, when you take out a short position on Bitcoin, what you're doing is you're basically betting that Bitcoin's price is going to drop in value in the future. So the number of people who think Bitcoin's price is going to drop has just hit a 3-month low. Short positions placed on cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex, which is one of the biggest in the game, fell to their lowest level since August 5th, so their lowest level in 3 months. The number of short positions dropped to 21,000, which represents a 33% drop in the past 8 days alone. Now, during the same time, longs, or positions that are betting on an increase in Bitcoin's price, also witnessed a notable increase of 10%. The current number of which is 24,000, marking a 3-week high. So I hope you understood what I just read. Number of people betting that Bitcoin's price is going to drop has decreased by 33%. The number of people betting that Bitcoin's price is going to increase has increased by 10%. So indeed, the sentiment here seems to be shifting in favor of the bulls. What's more, Bitcoin bulls have market seasonality on their side. This is something I've been saying forever. The fourth quarter of the fiscal year is traditionally bullish for Bitcoin prices, specifically the month of November. Data reveals that Bitcoin has only concluded November with a monthly percent loss once since 2010, which was in 2011. This is saying that since 2010, only one time has Bitcoin entered November and decreased in price by the end of November. What happens in every other case, every other time, is by the end of November, Bitcoin's price will increase. Check it out for yourself if you don't believe me. Looking at the chart below, it's perhaps no coincidence that shorts began their more than 30% drop just a day before November began. Check out this chart. So the red here is short positions taken out in the past 3 to 4 months. And the green here is long positions taken out. And we can see just recently, here's November, that there was a sharp decrease in short positions being taken out and a healthy increase of long positions. Although Bitcoin shorts have taken a hit as of late, an abundance of longs have yet to pile up. Data shows only 53% of the leverage positions on Bitfinex are longs, meaning 47% are shorts. So it's a relatively even ratio, right? But obviously this is bullish news. And of course, this is just one indicator of many indicators that we would use as investors. But keep in mind, this is real people putting in real money, putting their real money on the line, and they're betting on Bitcoin's future price. So they're very serious about this. And it's no surprise to me that they think the market is going up, because I've been saying this since the beginning of the year, If we see a bull run in December, if we see a bull run by the end of the year, that would be normal. That would be normal historically speaking. I mean, besides that, look at where we are in the market. I think we're down here. Obviously in December and January before the correction, we were in the euphoria stage. And now, if I had to bet, I think we're somewhere between anger and depression. So we're going to see if we start increasing in price, and hopefully we get to a point where we have a mini rally, and then it's going to be disbelief. This is a sucker's rally. This rally is going to fail like all the other rallies did, and then hopefully it doesn't fail, and we get to hope a recovery is possible. Then optimism, oh, this is real, and then belief, time to get fully invested. And I think you and I were smart for being interested down here in anger and depression, because I guess the sad truth is for not us, is that most people won't get in until belief and thrill and euphoria, in the mainstream media lets everybody know all this is okay. They don't report on the news that I'm reporting on and that, I report on every day. Oh, by the way, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Here at Altcoin Daily, you subscribe for our daily videos on everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. Great to have you checking in. Next piece of news. This is big news for Stellar Lumen adoption. I'm just going to sum this up. So the Stellar Development Foundation is currently undergoing a promotional campaign in an effort to build up the Stellar brand and increase adoption of Stellar Lumens XLM. And it's being called the largest crypto giveaway in history. And they just put out this press release announcing their partnership with blockchain.com, which is a leading digital asset wallet provider. And through them and the Stellar Development Foundation, they're giving away 500 million XLM to blockchain.com's 30+ million account holders. So currently, blockchain.com, which offers, wallets, they support Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, and now they're supporting Stellar Lumen. So let's click on this link and find out details. How do I claim my prize? And by the way, this is something, if you wanted to get your friends involved in cryptocurrency or your parents, you can send them this link and then they can claim their $25 in free XLM. Maybe your mom and your dad, they bought Bitcoin, but maybe they haven't really got into altcoins yet. If you wanted to, say, hey, here's $25 for free in Stellar Lumen, send them this link or whatever, just claim it yourself. So this is blockchain.com/getcrypto. Never owned crypto? Cool. We've never given away $125 million. So there's a couple of questions we have, right? First question is, why are you giving away free crypto? At blockchain.com, we're passionate about connecting the world to crypto and helping our users interact with crypto assets in a safe and easy way. The first step to becoming an active participant in the crypto ecosystem is getting a crypto asset. By offering XLM to our users for free, we hope to build a bigger community of crypto users. So, obviously the main question, what do I need to do so I can receive this? Well, you're going to need to put your email in this box right here and click I'm not a robot. And then we're going to send you an email with instructions when it's your turn to claim your XLM. And you'll need to have a blockchain wallet to receive your funds. And if you already have one, that's great. No need to create another. And we'll also require participants to verify their identity to ensure that no one is trying to claim more XLM than they are entitled to. 1 XLM distribution per person unless participating in bonus activities. And if you just want to use blockchain wallets, you don't need to do any kind of verifying at all. So let's talk about the positives and negatives of this. Oh, there are negatives? Well, here's the thing. I guess the only negative I see is that you're going to have to be KYC. They're making it KYC compliant to participate. So if you want to do this, you're going to have to give up some of your personal information, which I assume is a deal breaker for probably quite a few people, because one of the appeals of cryptocurrency is that it's kind of more private and off the grid, and you don't have to give your information to all these third parties. But as they said, it's so that it's going to stop duplicate accounts. And I guess the positives are obvious, right? This is millions of more people interested in Stellar Lumens. This is millions of more people interested in cryptocurrency. So to finish this story, the final question is, do promotions like this work? And I think, yes, they do. And I was reminded of something when I was reading Reddit earlier today. I don't know if you remember in 2015, PayPal did a similar promotion to generate a lot of new users where they offered $20 to you to open an account. And then if you referred somebody to PayPal, you'd receive another $20. And then it dropped to $10 and then $5, and eventually it stopped. PayPal ended up spending 60 to 70 million, but it grew their user base exponentially. Now, blockchain.com is offering more money, $25, just for opening up an account, and their bankroll is twice as big. So I suspect this will generate a lot of interest. I hope it does. Next up, and by the way, if you're receiving value today, I hope you are, give the video a like. It's a small thing you can do that does help us grow as a channel, especially if you're this far. And by the way, if you're a Stellar Lumen guy, if you're a Stellar Lumen girl, spam up the comments with little rocket ships. I like that. Anyway, next up, this is a big win for Litecoin. So Litecoin is being exposed to Facebook's 2.2 billion users, and now you can send and receive Litecoin through Facebook Messenger. So according to Lite.im, Litecoin investors and users can now send and receive Litecoin through Messenger. Users that want to transact their virtual currency have to start a conversation using lite.im. Those interested can do so here, and if you click this link, it'll redirect you to Facebook. And when you do that, the system works in a very easy way. There's a little bot. There's a conversation feature. It's a bot that helps individuals get started. And in order to do so, it's necessary to register. So everything can be performed through the chat provided by the messenger. In just a few minutes, your account will be created. The registering process requires a valid email, a phone number, and once the user provides this information, an SMS code will be sent to the telephone number provided. And after confirming the code, the user will have a select password for the Lite.im account. After all these steps, the user will receive a Litecoin wallet address to receive Litecoin. Everyone is now ready to start sending and receiving Litecoin. So it's not the first time that Lite.im launches a service for messaging applications. In the past, the company launched the same service on the messaging app Telegram. So, obviously, doing this with Facebook is a big story. I think the bigger picture for me is that it seems like it's becoming easier and easier to send and receive and store our favorite cryptocurrencies. I'm sure you remember, I just reported to you a couple days ago in this crypto news that Dash, the privacy coin, you can send and receive Dash through SMS text as well. And now you can do this with Litecoin, and you can do it with Bitcoin Cash, and I believe there's probably other cryptocurrencies you can do that with too. If you know of any, let us know. And it's just the ways to send, receive, store crypto. It's becoming simpler and more user-friendly, this is happening slowly, but it is happening. And of course, this reminds me of the internet early days. Remember when you first logged on to the internet? Remember the first time you received a CD from AOL when you got like 80 hours of internet access and you could collect CDs and get so much internet access? Things are becoming smoother. Things are becoming easier. But anyways, Litecoin being exposed to Facebook's 2.2 billion users. Big win for Litecoin. And, didn't really go up that much besides with the overall market going up. But anyways, that was the news for today. Hope you found value in it. If you want to follow us on our Twitter, it's at AltcoinDailyIO. Feel free to be a part of our community here on YouTube. That's really where we interact the most. And that's it. Hope you have a fantastic day. It's going to be a fantastic year. I'm looking forward to 2019. Either way, I'll see you tomorrow.